Hey there, if you're watching this video, then you're probably curious about learning to trade. And maybe, like most people, you've got some questions, maybe even some doubts, and that's totally normal. So, before I show you how we can help people just like you trade with live education, powerful tools, and a fantastic community, let's address some of the biggest questions that new people have. First, is this a scam? Nope, we've been around for 7 years and have thousands of members worldwide. We are real people, we offer real training, and we don't use gimmicks. Will I lose money trying this? This is a big question that people have, and a lot of people don't know, is that you can practice trading on what's called a practice account or a demo account first. This allows you to trade in the live market, but with fake money. It's like Monopoly money. So you can actually get really good at a strategy before you even risk a single penny of your own funds. This is what makes this super exciting. Once you're really good, you can then move on to the next level. Do I need experience? None. We start with the basics and we guide you step by step. In fact, we've had many members come in knowing absolutely nothing. And let me tell you, I was one of those members. What if I don't understand all the charts or lingo? That's what we teach you, and our tools make it super simple, easy to understand, and what to look for. Will I have support? Absolutely. You'll learn from live educators and be part of an active, supportive community. How much time does this take? Many members start with just 15 to 30 minutes a day. We show you how to fit this into your schedule, and trust me, we've had everybody, all walks of life. Like I said, we've got thousands and thousands of people within our community. We've got doctors, lawyers, nurses, police, firemen, business owners, truck drivers. I mean, you name it, we have those people, just like you and I. And the good thing about the market is that it is open 24 hours a day, 5.5 days a week, and we can show you how to fit it into your own schedule. Do these tools really work? And the answer is a big yes. They're being used daily, and we've got thousands and thousands of members worldwide plugging in live and using these to find opportunities fast. What if it's not for me? You can try it risk-free for 7 days. If it's not your thing, then no problem, you're covered. You'll get 100% of your money back, no questions asked. Can I start on a small budget? Yes, and as mentioned, you won't use any of your own money to trade with at the beginning because you'll be practicing. Then only when you're ready to go live, you can start with whatever amount that you feel comfortable with. How is this different from other programs? We combine live teaching, objective trade systems, objective tools, and a real community. So you're never left guessing, and you're not doing it alone either. Now that we've cleared that up, let me show you in the next video exactly how this works and how it will help you achieve your trading goals.